Good morning from a sunny Bangkok. I'm back here again. This morning I'm going to head out to Silom Soi 20. It's a famous street food market, especially in the morning. It's lovely early here in Bangkok. Managed to bag a nice room, 21st floor, a Centre Point Hotel in Bangkok. It's absolutely beautiful. I've got a river view there. Some view at this hotel. I recognise that building from the hangover too.
Oh no! Penguin!
And the ceiling road which goes all the way around. The Soi 20 is over this way here. But the sun just came up, it's beautiful. Anyway, let's go take a look at Soi 20. Definitely got an appetite this morning. So as I said earlier, I'm staying back in the Centre Point Hotel. Really nice hotel. I'm only paying about £27 per night for the room, and that's right in the heart of Bangrak, where all the food is. It's an absolutely fantastic place to be. So we're here, we're at Silom Soi 20. You could actually smell it about a block away. So much food going on. Look at all the fruits and vegetables at the start here.
เปิดห้องไว้นะก่อนจะลงจากห้องทุกครั้งตอนเลิกเรียน
More mangosteen there. Like 30 baht a kilo here. Might recognise these from the video I did with Joe, the guavas. 25 baht a kilo. Snake fruit.
150ครับผม
Just going to take a walk along from beginning to end to get an idea of what they're selling and serving here. It's a good mix of fresh fruit and vegetables, curries, dim sum, bit of everything really. Surprised how busy it is early in the morning. It's quite warm and humid. There's still a requirement to wear masks as well at the moment. Look at this.
ครับไม่หันนะครับผมเลือกก่อนเลยนะครับ
So this is patongo, which is a Chinese rice balls. They're fried in oil here, as you can see. It's traditionally served with ginger broth. You can actually drink it with soy milk as well.
เรามาแล้วเอาทำปกติเลยนะครับเริ่มกันไต้แลนด์
7 a.m. and it's already this busy. Different meats here. Piggy goodness. All the different dim sums on offer. There's bao buns in there as well. Well, technically it's just bao, isn't it? If you say bao buns, you're actually saying bun bun. Fish as well. Dried fish. Got fried chicken. Thai people love their fried chicken. It's usually nice and spicy as well. This bubbling cauldron of pork. It's a nice dish. It's quite light and fragrant. You get a taste of soy sauce. It's slightly sweet and also has a medicinal flavour. Comes with eggs in it as well. I can serve it with rice and some of the sauce.
ฮะได้อันนี้กล้วยให้มะขามที่อยู่กล้วยขามอยู่นี่ครับให้มะขามครับ
You see it this time of day as well. The monks are coming around for the morning collection. People there making merit and they get a blessing in return. The array of fruit here is fantastic. You might have recognised this from the video I did with Joel as well. The rose apple, still in season, 40 baht a kilo. So I noticed when I was coming along earlier on, there's also an indoor market bit as well. Let's go in and take a look. It's more of a wet market indoors. Got all the fresh fish and meat as well. Chicken feet, chicken. Be careful of all the cars and the bikes that come through here as well. Look at these fresh stink beans.
เอาอะไรพี่จ๊ะนั่นถ่ายภาพถ่ายภาพเก็บภาพ
And the aubergines as well.
ถ่ายลอตเตอรี่นะ
I'm going to head back and buy some of that braised pork. Man was proud of his food and showed me it, so I'm going to give him some support and buy some food. It looks really delicious. Still busy with it. 28 in the morning. Looks like they've got braised tofu there as well. Look how soft that is when he's cutting it.
ไปแล้วไม่เคยทานจะลองทานเที่ยวรีบแล้ววัง
Can't describe the beautiful smell that's coming out of that. Absolutely delicious.
ขนมด้วยดอกไม้พี่วันดี
Yeah. Allow them the juice in there.
อะไรครับ
That's some of the pork, the rice.
Yeah.
Cup and cab.
ไม่เอาไก่
What do you call that? What?
เป็ดซุป
Okay,
50 บาทจ้ะ
we'll try some of that as well. So anyway, I managed to get some of the soup. Came back to the hotel. It was so hot and crowded along Soi 20. I got the soup along. Got some decent soup in here. Some little packet of rice noodles as well. Put those in. I did put them in the soup so they're not raw and soggy. Bag of bean sprouts. Some of those in. So they're not bean sprouts, they're bamboo shoots. That mixed in. And I've also got bag of soy sauce here, some salt, sugar and some chili flakes. I'm not sure what that is. Definitely could put some chili in. I'm going to bother with sugar, I don't think. Prefer the savoury to the sweet. I'll put chili in it. Bit of a stir. Got a fish ball in here. springy. Quite sure what this is. Like a truffle puff. Really tasty, the broths. Quite light. Need some of the soy sauce, I think. Nice with the chilies in it. Gives a bit of a kick. Quite a good mix. Pieces of chicken in it. That's nice. Got a lovely taste now with the spice and the sauce. It's definitely a great array of food along the Silom Soi. Plenty recommend it. Go along, get there early. It's really busy. Lots of food and variety on offer there. It's great. It's everything's in Thai, but the people are really friendly, really helpful. It's worth going along and giving it a try. I'm trying to get a bit better with my Thai speaking, so yeah, you can hear the pronunciations and get more absorbed in the language. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos and a lot more coming in the next few weeks. Literally with sweat rolling in my eyes. So hot today.